Today's adventure leads us to the Whistle Stop Cafe, the most recognized movie scene in Fried Green Tomatoes, the movie. Let me show you around. If you can see, let me pan around over here. This was the old mill right there across the tracks. If I pan around over here, there's some antique shops that lead down a road here in Juliette, Georgia. Once the scene of a famous movie named Fried Green Tomatoes. And let me take you up on the porch of the Whistle Stop Cafe. So I'm walking up onto the porch of the Whistle Stop Cafe. And if you can see, they're closed. They close at 4 o'clock every day. This sign was actually in the movie Fried Green Tomatoes, because they actually serve fried green tomatoes here, and they're very delicious. I've had some before. I had a cheeseburger once here with a fried green tomato on it, and it was delicious. If I walk you over here, and I scroll up this way, that says good food, and that's the truth. Let me walk you over here. This was there when the movie was on. And if you can see, all the tables inside are set. You can barely see the inside of the restaurant. It's really cool. It's just like the movie. The setting is still the same. And pardon the glare, but let me take you to another window. This is the inside of the Fried Green Tomatoes Whistle Stop Cafe. And everything is exactly as it was when they were filming the movie. And it's very unique. If you're ever in Juliette, Georgia, they've got the best cheeseburgers with the best fried green tomatoes. And there's the outside sign that says cafe. And if I scroll around over here, in a minute I'm going to take you to Edgy Threadgood's house. A couple of others. There's Ruth and Edgy's place. That was used in the movie Fried Green Tomatoes. And that, I believe, is called the Little Red Barn Gifts and More. Over there is Purple Haze. And some of the homes, the outside of the homes that were used in the movie. Now I'm going to walk you back through the front porch of the Fried Green Tomatoes movie location, Whistle Stop Cafe. And I'm going to pan out. I'm going to take you back down the stairs. And I'll take you down there, and I'll show you down there. This is the other side of the Whistle Stop. And back there is the grill, the infamous grill. Over here is the Whistle Stop Depot. And over here is a bank. It says Old Liberty Bank, Whistle Stop Cafe Gift Shop. And there's the Whistle Stop Cafe gift shop right there. They're open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's the Whistle Stop train depot. And down that way is the Whistle Stop. I wonder if that's someone coming to get a sample of their delicious fried green tomatoes. This is the Juliette, Monroe County Sheriff's Office substation and courthouse. Don't forget the outhouse. That's the Juliette Opera House that's right beside the sheriff's office and further downtown, down towards the Whistle Stop. Kensington's Pillar to Post. They cook fried green tomatoes also. They have handcrafted cookies, Georgia pecan, Mexican cokes, vinyl albums, candy, antiques, and water. Right here. You can enter around the corner where I just showed you. That is a metal crafter in that building. That's called Moon Pies Vintage Antiques and Uniques in the red building. That's called the Honeycomb. They have Burt's Bees products, Blue Moon products, local honey. Right next to it is the fire department. And that right there is the road leading out. So I'm going to walk you back through Juliette, back to the Fried Green Tomatoes Whistle Stop Cafe. If you notice, they have a stage down there called Juliette Operaland. There's the Whistle Stop Trading Post. There's a sign directing you right over there to the Whistle Stop Cafe. Over here is where the grill is, where they make the barbecue, hint hint, at the Whistle Stop. If anyone's seen the movie, you're going to know why I'm showing you this. Because I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that sometimes on very special occasions, they still, well, I don't know if they still use this pit or not. Looks like somebody's been using it. But this is a movie prop from the movie. Maybe they just burn leaves and limbs in it now, but it used to be a barbecue pit. And if you watch the movie, you'll know exactly. Leave a comment below. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about with the barbecue pit at the back of the Whistle Stop. This says, "Here lies Frank Bennett of Valdosta, the secrets in the sauce, and he. Right here at the Whistle Stop, next to the barbecue pit, here in Juliette. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.